Welcome back to the channel. Quick update on the splitter. I had some issue with the temperature rising when I was running it for a long time. It was reaching 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not that bad, but it's not ideal. The ideal temperature is 130 to 40 Fahrenheit. So it's the right temperature to reach the good viscosity. So I had to empty the oil into those two bins to be able to do some work also with the tank. But first, what solved the problem mainly is the filter. Now that's a filter. So you gotta get a good clue. It's 4.5 by almost 12 inches high. It's 1 inch and a quarter NPT, so it goes down to 1 inch going back into the tank. And by the way, I had to weld this back because it was cracked. I had some indication that it was cracked from a long time, but this guy is really heavy, and each and every time there was some vibration, I see the crack forming and just spreading. So I welded back, and this is the reason I had to drain the tank. Since I have this new filter, the pressure remains in the green, well within the green, which is good because before that, when I started the splitter, because of the viscosity of the oil, I was running in the red. Now it's always in the green. While I was welding on the other side, I had to empty the tank because I didn't want anything to catch fire, although hydraulic oil is not easy to catch fire, but I didn't want to have any debris coming down. Which leads to the next improvement I did in the tank. So it's unbolted. Going to put that aside. Okay, inside of the tank, I did add those baffles. So this thin metal is attached with some kind of a metal wire. So to give you an idea, this is the return line and this is the suction line. And believe it or not, there was no baffle whatsoever. So I'm just suspecting that the oil coming back from the splitter came back into the pump. There was some swirl, but at some point it was not a good heat exchange. So this is the update. this is it for today, and this is it for the season, wood season of 2020. It's just under 20 face corn of wood. That's a good year. See you on the next one. Thanks.